Hello everyone, so how to install Launcher on iPhone. So this is the app which helps you to customize multiple widgets and organize your best apps in one place. So this is one of the most popular apps for this, and if you like iOS 14 widgets, it's like definitely should try this app. So just tap get and then the app will start installing. It's 75 megabytes. And there is free version and there is premium. So if I just tap open, then you can just set up like launchers. And it will automatically set up, I guess, some of the apps launchers for you. And there you have it. So you have this like classic widgets or new style widgets for iOS. And then I guess you just need to see your widgets. So let's try it out. To add a widget here, tap and hold, enter the jiggle mode, and then launcher. And there you have it. You have launcher widget, small, medium, recently launched, most launched. So for example, if I select this and then just tap add widget, so this is the like kind of launcher. I tap and hold edit widget, and then I can just select which widgets I can put here. So yeah, if you just created a few widgets in Launcher app, you can just select. By the way, if you want to delete, just tap and hold and then you can remove it. Let's go back to the Launcher app. Oh, sorry for the... And then here is the widget. And here, like, you can change the background. You can enter dark mode. You can add different app. You can tap app launcher. So if you like, I don't know, messages, just tap open app. And then, yeah, you have new messages app. And yeah, so that's how it works. Then you can just add music launcher, a web launcher. So you and then you can just enter a specific URL and it will be opened in in Safari, I guess, or yeah, so something like that. And then you can also create some custom launcher contact. You can just call someone, email someone, get directions, all that stuff like that. And then, yeah, when you just save it, I guess it's automatically updated in your widget. And then you can just create a widget which is like most launched apps, and it will dynamically update the apps which you are using the most. So that's kind of pretty cool. And if I tap on Instagram, for example, yep, I guess it will just go through this like weird small step. So it won't directly open Instagram app. It will just it goes through additional step. It's the same with Siri shortcuts. So just be aware of that. It's just a small bug. It's still not solved on iOS 14. So if you don't mind that, but if you just want to use all other benefits, try it out. So this is the app. Hope you liked the review. Put a like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io on the web.